this project is really spurred on by the pandemic. I work part-time in a nursing home and in activities, and we were so limited on what we could do with people that I thought with all that free time it would be nice if they had something wonderful to look at. So I placed a bird feeder outside a window in a common area in our nursing home, and I posted about it online and got so much response that Spud Marshall suggested I apply for the grant at 3 Dots. So I applied for the grant and got a $1,000 grant for people to sponsor a window at a nursing home. Well, the neatest thing is it's not just the birds they like, they love the visit. So when you go to fill the feeder, they're waving and giving you thumbs up and blowing kisses. And they just love, they relish that human interaction right now because they're not getting a lot of it. So even out the window is something they just love, seeing people, that unfamiliar faces coming and doing things. So it's really cool.